What's happening, Bassheads? Coming at you from DOWN4SOUND.com. Do you know what we're gonna do in this video? Take a wild guess. Yes, we're releasing another freaking product for y'all because you keep asking for these things. So here we are. This is the JP1.2z3. In short, this is going to give you the same power, about 1200 watts at 4, 2, and 1 ohm. It's our JP3 constant power model. This is going to be the big brother to the JP3, which is going to be the JP1.2z3. That sounds like we're going to do a password on this amp, but we don't have a password on it. It sounds like a good thing that we could do in the future. Anyway, on the back, you know the treatment. We always do the clear plexi and high flow fan here with high quality components in this bad boy. These are available in 9 different colors as well. Oh, let me flip this over so you can read this. You know, we always do the Easter eggs inside of all of our amplifiers. Oh, where did it go now? Oh, down here. Yeah, man. Like we went down to Jamaica or something. All right, on this side, we got 4 gauge power and ground, 8 gauge for the speaker wire. On this side, we got the Tiffany style RCA connections, master and slave input output here. If you're going to strap some of these together, you can. Low pass filter, bass boost, subsonic gain, power protect, and clip in. Yes, you see it here, clip in and clip out. So you know if your signal is clipping going in, and obviously if it's clipping and going in, it's probably going to be clipping going out. So that's another feature that we just added for you guys there. Comes with your bass knob with all the bells and whistles. Is your voltage, your temperature, power protect, and clip. Temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. If you want to adjust the voltage on this, it doesn't adjust your voltage on your vehicle, it just calibrates it. You can do it through this hole right here. Comes with your owner's manual. On the back of this bad boy, let me get this amp back up here so it'll be in the shot, I guess, as well. So again, 4 ohm RMS power, 1200 watts, 2 ohm RMS power, 1200 watts, 1 ohm RMS power, 1200 watts. How much do you want to bet that's going to put out more power than what's rated right here? You'd be a smart man if you betted with me. Dimension is going to be 9 inches long, 7.48 inches wide, and 2.24 high. So pretty compact amplifier here. Again, it's going to give you all that power at all those different ohm loads. And these are 269 bucks. Again, it's going to give you the same power at all those different ohm loads. So be sure to check them out on down4soundshop.com, or you can click on the in the description of this video. It'll have a link directly to these amplifiers, and let me know what you think about it. And we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.